The long cleanup process in Irma's wake. Help is already on the way from Alabama. CBS 42 News reporter Jamie Ostroff speaking to people all over the Birmingham area who are lending a hand.
Jim, we saw it just a couple of weeks ago. People here in Alabama going all in to help the people of Houston recover from Hurricane Harvey, and then Irma came along. Well, guess what? The people of Alabama came together again to show that generosity has no limit. It's hard to imagine that less than 2 months ago, the bustling Vestavia Bowl was essentially an island.
A month and a half ago, we were in that water for an hour. It was gross.
But General Manager Angela Nance knows that was nothing compared to what people in Texas dealt with after Hurricane Harvey.
I mean, obviously we get to go home after and we don't lose our homes from it, but it's a mess and it's really hard to stay positive and push through it. And so that's why we just, we get it. So we just want to help as much as possible.
After a couple of weeks of collecting donations, Irma hit. Now Nance is expanding her drive through the month of September. And the bowling alley isn't the only local business where storm damage hits home.
It's a lot of stress knowing that I have so much family down there.
Angela Richter works at Hop City in Birmingham. They're now collecting money, food, and water to send to Florida, making the Sarasota native feel more at home in Alabama.
I'm really grateful to live in an area where people are so generous and helpful. I've always been really impressed since I moved up here 5 years ago at how gracious people in the South are. I know that that's a big factor in all of this, and I think it's awesome.
I also stopped by the Beltwell Auditorium today. They're going to be there collecting donations on behalf of the city of Birmingham all week long. They've already sent 3 trucks to Florida, at least 16 trucks to Texas, and I am told the greatest need now in Florida is heavy-duty cleaning supplies and school supplies. Live in Birmingham tonight, Jamie Ostroff, CBS 42 News. Local coverage you can count on.